Alright, this is my 328i. Yeah, that's it. And now I'll show you the problem that I'm having with the turn signals. So now, sorry, I can turn, hold on. Alright, see, that's blinking, right? No, it's not. I have the turn signal on. That blinks. And that blinks, right? That's fine. Now I do it the other way. That one blinks. And again. That one blinks. And the front one blinks too. I just don't feel like walking all the way around. Now, the problem I'm having is when I need to use my headlights, right over here, as soon as I turn the parking lights on, the blinkers are solid, right? And the headlights, they're solid. I try to use my blinker, nothing. Left blinker, nothing. Even my hazards, I can, nothing. And you come outside to look, and they're lit up. They don't blink. They don't do anything. They just stay lit up. Completely unusable. And yeah, that's the problem I'm having. If this video helps, thank you.